Hi everyone, I bought this 7-day advent calendar with Nightmare Before Christmas theme from Primark. As you can see, it's been reduced to £7, and I thought, well, for reduced from £7 down to £4, so I thought I would give it a go. So let's have a look. Now, I'm not going to go through and do this over 7 days. I don't care. I'm going to open it, and I need a tool to open it. So let's have a look what's in here. Ooh, okay, so we have 2 Jack Skellington themed pencils. Nice, I like those. Then day 2, is some firmly stuck on. Ignore my finger, I cut it earlier, it keeps bleeding. It's been a pain in the bum. Stop bleeding. It's like the tiniest thing. I nicked my cuticle. These are little Jack Skellington post-it notes. Yeah, not bothered about them. Day 3. We have, I have a feeling that's day 7. Is that day 7? Oh my, that's day 6. So we have these little thin strip post-its. Day 4. We have a Jack Skellington pencil sharpener. I like that. Day 5. It's down the bottom. We have Nightmare Before Christmas ruler. Day 6 we had a sneak peek of, which was these erasers. The Jack Skellington. So that's those. I like those, they're nice. And day 7 is a teeny weeny little notebook. Yep, okay. So that was the 7-day Christmas for All Eternity Nightmare Before Christmas advent calendar. If I'd have paid £7 for it, I would have been really cross, because it's just a little bit of really cheap stationery. But for £4, that's all right. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.